So this question says the area of the Mountain Island Educational State Forest in North Carolina is 3 square miles. Okay, I'm just going to underline that. What is the area in square yards of this forest? Okay, so this is literally just a conversion question. It's just asking, do you know how to convert 3 square miles? This is where most students make a mistake. It's not 3 miles, it's 3 square miles, which I like to write like this, 3 miles squared. Right? Miles squared and square miles are the same thing. And I want to convert that into square yards, not just yards, but square yards. So I'm going to use this conversion factor that they gave me, but I have to square them, right? They gave me the relationship between miles and yards, but I want to convert from square miles to square yards, so I have to be very careful. So the unit that I want to cross out is miles squared, which means I have to get miles squared down here. The unit that I want to introduce is yards squared. So that means I need to have yards squared here. But that number will not be 1,760. What is really happening here is like we have 1,760 yards equals 1 mile. Well, then that means I'd square both sides to figure out how many yards squared equals 1 mile squared, right? Squared is still going to be 1. But now I go to my calculator and say, well, what is 1,760 squared? So 1760 in my calculator squared is a large number, 3,097,600. So that's the number that goes here, 3,097,600. That's my conversion factor. So my miles squared have crossed out. I have my yards squared exactly where I want it. All I have left is to multiply the two numerators together. So I'm multiplying 3 times that 3,097,600 number. And what I'm getting is 9,292,800. Again, that is square yards. So my correct answer here is choice D.